So this morning we got out of the truck probably at 6:30, maybe closer to 7. We walked and a cow ran across the road we were walking on. And then we split up from Lyle and Ryan and we went off onto this point and we glassed a few bulls, 2 different herds of elk. And then we kept walking down this trail to try to get to this ridge, so a place where we could see. And then we got to this clearing, and we were informed that there was a herd coming our way. And so we set up, and we waited, and after about 15-20 minutes of waiting, we were then told that they had busted about 250 yards up from us through the aspen trees, and they were bedded down about a quarter mile or 3/4 of a mile away. And then we decided, well, let's go down the trail a little bit more to see if there's see this water hole and sit for a while. And here we are. We saw a lot of bear poop this morning walking through the thick of it. So much bear poop. I don't think I've ever seen as much bear poop as I have today. And down by that water hole, we went to check it out, and there's a lot of bear tracks down there. So we're in bear country for sure. And so we're hoping that eventually they'll get thirsty and they'll come for water. We'll be here waiting. So it's about our morning so far.
Two spikes, no legal pulls. Did he? Okay.
Shot him 4 times.
What was that?
Shot him 4 times.
I know. There he is right
He's
there.
finally down.
Just give him a minute. Okay. What happened this morning?
So we got here way earlier than we did yesterday because we wanted to beat these people we saw yesterday. So we were getting out of the truck at probably 6 o'clock at dark. And so we started walking the spot that we were at yesterday because we thought it would be a good spot. And so we went and we spooked some deer earlier while we were walking. And so after that we decided, well, make sure we cover fields before we look at fields before we go in. And so our next field was the one we were going to stop at, which was this one up here by this water hole. And then
We shot from right up there.
I decided, well, let's look. So I looked and I saw elk. At first we thought they were just spikes, but then as Grandpa had his binoculars out, he saw that it had huge brow tines. So we decided, well, why don't we shoot him because he's legal. And Brian said, if you see a legal bull, shoot it. So we did, and here we are, skinning my first bull.
All right.
So, yesterday I got my first bull elk, and carcass was over there after we were done skinning and everything. The carcass was over there in that field. But last night, a big old bear didn't see it there. We were like, oh, what the heck? So we came back. And I was like, that looks like it. So we got our binoculars on it. And yeah, it's the carcass. So right now, we're sitting in the carcass, watching these magpies eat at it, and waiting for a bear, hopefully, to come back.
Right behind the shoulder. Wait till he turns broadside. Damn it.
So, we were worried that we didn't have enough cover. So Grandpa gave me this big old saw that he just carried around. And I cut some of those twig trees down and built this blind. And now, I think we're really covered.
It looks good.
I think it looks great.
See the carcass?
It's down there.
Carcass is down there. We got all this.
So we're in there. We got our snacks back.
We got everything back here.
All our stuff is right here, so we're good.
Yep. All our snack stuff.